It has been a while since MRJ-Laser launched a new 1000-watt handheld pulse laser cleaning machine, and it has been well received by many customers in the market. Today we will test what is unique about the 1000-watt pulse laser cleaning machine. First of all, what we want to clean is a bicycle gear plate. The main thing attached to it is the spray paint of the frame itself, oil stains and some impurities formed by mixing mud and sand. We can see that the 1000-watt laser can with irradiation. These impurities were easily removed, exposing the bright metal background of the gear plate itself. The next thing we want to test is the car paint that is relatively difficult to clean. This is a car hood with the original car paint on it. We can see that the thickness of the paint surface is about 115 microns. It is not difficult to find that the car paint is quickly removed under the action of the laser, revealing a smooth metal background. The effect is very good, and the surface temperature after cleaning is only about 40 degrees. Whether it is for partial cleaning or large area for cleaning, you don't have to worry about the deformation of the car body due to heat and affect the appearance. Let's do a comparison test with a 300-watt laser cleaning machine. It can be seen that the efficiency of 300-watt laser cleaning machine is obviously slower than that of 1000-watt. The overall efficiency is about 1/3 of 1000 watts, and although it can be cleaned in the end, the cleaning effect is not as smooth and delicate as 1000 watts.